Hey, in this video, we're gonna take a look at this DVD box to show you guys Wonka, a DVD unboxing. So I got this Walmart today. Let's take at the front cover there. There's a little thing in there. There's Tiffany Chalamet, Wonka. This quote say, "You've never had a chocolate like this, Willy Wonka." So anyways, here's the front, spine, other spine, and the back. And there's WB iconic moments. Warner Bros. Invites you to celebrate the most iconic moments in film history. There's a discover how Willy became Wonka. See, there's some DVD video in this, and there's some rated PG from some violence, male language, and thematic elements. See, there's 118 minutes. It's from Warner Brothers Pictures, Village Roadshow Pictures, and Roll at the Hill, and Heyday Films. Let's get open. Here's a disc of Wonka. So that's his Wonka DVD boxing. I hope you enjoyed this movie. So that's bye, take care. See you next time.